There is something truly powerful about getting your own library card, the kids getting to choose what they really want to learn about and enjoy and read. Giving people the power of choice at that young age is a beautiful gift.
I really am excited when I get to go to the library because it means that I get to go down into the children's section and browse all the books and then come home with way more books than I'm actually able to read.
We probably have 50 books at our house right now and at any given time in the summer.
I love that everyone is super friendly and you always feel welcome no matter how old you are.
I walked in, eye contact immediately with Bernice, and it was like all my fears and worries about being a mom with 2 newborn babies was kind of erased during that because she was just so welcoming and fun and kind.
My oldest is 15, and we started coming here when she was toddler for story time, so we sat right there. It impacted my kids' literacy level so much.
The benefit of collaborating with the library is that there's a bridge between home and school because the kids are feeling like, oh, I have more access to more books, or it's not just we're learning in the classroom, it just goes beyond the classroom.
We grew up in a different place and we didn't have this much access to the library, and we are very fortunate in Bellingham and we have access to this big books.
Our children's and teens library space needs a refresh, and in order to do that, we need private financial support. We have other avenues of support that we're able to tap into, but in order to fully make that happen, we need help.
The Children's Library here at Central was last renovated in 1985. Since that time, our community has grown and library service has certainly changed. It's a good time for an update.
We so often get people coming in about my age that say, oh, I grew up here. It looks exactly the same. I love that. And we go, oh, that's fantastic. Welcome back. But it should not look exactly the same. Our community deserves a children's library and a teen space that is updated, that is clean and current.
Private funding is critical to the improvements of where we want to grow in service to this community. The city's budget constraints are real, and private donations can close a funding gap. There is such an important opportunity that donors can play by saying yes to making an investment in the library right now.
Fully funded, this renovation will include a new teen space relocated here on the children's floor. It will include an early learning area, a place for our youngest children to read, learn, and play with their grown-ups. It will include ADA wheelchair-accessible children's book stacks, new paint, new lighting, a more open floor plan, updated heating and cooling, and finally it will include better workspaces for our children's library staff and a little more elbow room. Bellingham youth, our young people, deserve a welcoming, bright, comfortable space that keeps all the things that we love about the children's library refreshed and renewed for a new generation.